everyone, this is your Sabha ma'am. I wholeheartedly welcome all my lovely children and all respectful parents. So, my dear children, I hope you remember. Today I am going to start our new topic. So, wait a bit, let's have the summary of today's class. So, topic of the day, what I yesterday said is RIN ring. THE the BIGGEST biggest NUMBER number. Ring the biggest number. Earlier we were talking about the ring the smallest number. Today we are going to talk about ring the biggest number. So ring the biggest number. Ring the biggest number. So dear children, in this pattern of game or in this pattern of exercise, here also we will have four different types of number. I usually go for four different types of number, and the speciality of each number is same. Whatever their name is, or the number is the same amount of chocolate ball they carry. So here the question is how to find out the biggest number. And one more thing before starting that, I want to tell you, other than this math part, EST, whenever you add this word, this three letters EST, that word or that meaning of that word becomes very special, or you can say that enhances the equality of that word. For example, big मतलब बड़ा, biggest mean सबसे बड़ा. Same way, for example, I say small means छोटा, smallest mean सबसे छोटा. That means there will be, when you add this word est, the importance of that particular thing enhances a lot. As example, I can give cool. This is cool. This is coolest. The coolest will be इनमें से सबसे ज़्यादा cool है. And for example, hot. This is hot. This is hottest. ये इनमें सबसे ज़्यादा hot है. ये गर्म है, but ये वाला सबसे ज़्यादा गर्म है. Same way. So here also we have four types of numbers. I hope you remember. For example, let's begin with, I'm giving you four types of number. Okay, let's begin with, I'm giving Mr. 7, Mr. 8, Mr. 9. Oh, I can say Mr. 6, Mr. 6, and Mr. 9. Okay. Mr. 7, Mr. 8, Mr. 6 and Mr. 9. The Mr. 7 will carry 7 numbers of chocolate balls. So I'm going to draw 7 balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Mr. 8 will carry 8 numbers of chocolate balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Mr. 6 will carry 6 numbers of chocolate balls. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Mr. 9 will carry 9 numbers of chocolate balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now you can see very well which number is carrying highest amount of chocolate ball. अब आप ध्यान से देखिए तो किस नंबर के पास सबसे ज़्यादा ह्यूज अमाउंट ऑफ चॉकलेट बॉल, वो कौन सा नंबर है? And none other than कौन से Mr. 9. Here I have drawn the ball so you can see very well. Mr. 9 is having the largest amount of chocolate ball. The number which carries the highest amount of chocolate ball, that number becomes the biggest number. सबसे बड़ा number. So here our biggest number is 9. We are going to ring Mr. 9. जो बड़ा मिल जाता है उसको bring कर देते हैं. So here 9 is the biggest number. Now let's take another example. But my dear children, this time I'm not going to draw the balls. This time it's your turn to imagine and visualize all the numbers, all the balls, all the numbers. ठीक है, आप numbers और balls को visualize करेगा. कौन सा नंबर दे? याद आ गया. आपके numbers हैं Mr. 19, Mr. 2, Mr. 9, and Mr. 13. Okay. So, Mr. 19, Mr. 2, Mr. 9, and Mr. 13. Again, same thing. Mr. 19 will have 19 numbers of chocolate balls. Mr. 2 will have 2 numbers of chocolate balls. Mr. 9 will have 9 numbers of chocolate balls. And Mr. 13 will have 13 numbers of chocolate balls. Now visualize. खो जाओ अपने इमेजिनेशन की दुनिया में. कोई आपको कुछ नजर आया? हमें तो बहुत कुछ नजर आ रहा है. कौन सा नंबर है इनमें से जिसके पास जो सबसे बड़ा उसके पास सबसे ज़्यादा चॉकलेट बॉल्स हैं? और ये है none other than Mr. 19. Yay! So this is our biggest number. Mr. 19 is our biggest number. So my dear children, thank you so much for helping me. As a gift, I want to give you flying heart-shaped balloon, smiling balloon. This is for you. As a gift, keep smiling and keep loving. This is your gift. So my dear children, this is called Ring the Biggest Number. So let's move to our homework. So homework, same thing. Today's date and HW. You are going to write the heading Ring the Biggest Number. And I have given 5 lines. And each line is carrying 4 types of different numbers. First line, your numbers are 16, 8, 11, 4. Leave one line. Second line, 1, 14, 9, 16. Leave one line. Next line, 20, 17, 19, 2. Leave one line. 6, 15, 17, 5. Leave one line. And the last line is 7, 10, 3, 18. This is your homework, my dear children. So, my dear children, for today, only this much. Keep smiling, keep loving, and do obey your elders and enjoy your study. Take care of yourself. Love you all. Have a nice day. Thank you so much.